Hello and welcome. Once again, I am here with the weekly guidance. So here we are having three sections of the card. You can select any one of the section of the cards as per your choice. As usual, I am using angel cards and the traditional Rider-Waite tarot cards. You can pause the video. You can select the card section, either one or more than one also as per your wish, and you can directly jump on the timestamp and you can listen to your guidance. In this video also we are having a contest, so you can just listen to the code that I am going to share in the last. Timestamp shall be mentioned in the description, so you can check and you can check the code and you can comment if you wish to participate. So without wasting time, we shall directly jump on the reading. So let's start the reading with the section 1. Section 1, we are having shower of abundance as an angel message for the week. Emotion and relationship wise, it is 5 of cups, and career finance, it is 4 of swords. So for the week, angel message is shower of abundance. Somewhere angels are guiding you. Please carry such attitude. Always feel you are abundant, otherwise your situation may become little odd. Your situation may become little pathetic. If you really want to grow in your life, if you really want to be happy in your life, you have to carry such attitude. So this is the angel message. Always make yourself feel of abundance. Before sleeping, I would request, please manifest or please meditate on your abundance, because ups and downs are coming. Everyone is going to face. You have to always carry a positive attitude and you need to be always positive for the positive result. So this is the guidance from the angels. Angels have clearly given you have to carry such this wonderful feeling of abundance, as if angels or the god is showering upon you the gold coins. If you will carry such attitude, definitely your situation in future, it is going to be great. Emotional and relationship wise, you are having 5 of cups. So somewhere you are going to feel little disappointed. Some changes are coming, or you have to change your perspective. Might be your relationship is not going to work out, or might be you had expected someone will come with a very warm welcome, warm appreciation you are going to get. That is not going to happen, and the things will not happen as per your expectation. So relationship wise, emotionally you are going to feel little down this week. But again, the cards are showing still you are having other beautiful relationships which you were avoiding since long, and now it is a good time to revive those relationship. So whatever they left the relationship or the situation, forget about them. They were not meant for you. Instead, turn back. There are 2 more cups, it is standing over there, so they are your beautiful relationship and they are still waiting for you. So you have to go back and you have to enjoy that time. So it is not overall negative, little disappointed situation I feel, but this is your perspective. You had kept a very high expectation from others, but you cannot control others' attitude. So you have to change your perspective and you have to go long way. So be positive and carry those relationships who are waiting for you, who are working for you. So these are the beautiful relationship. These are the loyal relationships, I would say. The situation also going to be in such way, you may feel situation is against you, but it's not like that. There are many other things also, other type of things are also happening around you which is supporting you. So you should embrace those things. And now it is a change card, it is showing you have to change your perspective. So little change your perspective, I think you are going to feel better. Let's move to the career finance. Career finance here, 4 of swords. So here you can see the person is lying down and things doesn't feel like any movement is there. So yes, you are going to feel something like that in career finance. You might be expecting a stable growth in your career or the finances wise. But here I think little halt is there. It's not a long term halt, it's a small halt it is. But it doesn't mean you are not going to be prepared for your plan, prepare for your project, future projects. Get ready. Here if you'll see properly on the card, the person is completely ready, and if anytime he will be called upon, he will be ready to perform his duties. So here the person is ready, only the situation is he is taking a short break. This short break, I think this is necessary to give you a boost also, because might be you need a little rest, might be you need little alone time to just think upon your future plans, something like that. So 4 we know it's a number of stability. Yes, it comes with the hard work, it comes with the commitment, so you need to be committed. It is going to be little slow, you are not going to see much growth, not much happening. Week is going to be finances wise, career front, but it is going to give you stability. So this short break, I think it is going to show you many hidden things also. So carefully just watch what is happening around you. No need to act, simply observe and learn from those things. So this is the career finance it is talking about. Not much changes, but all cards are suggesting you need to be very positive. Whatever good you are having, just embrace those happiness. So let's come to the section 2 cards. Section 2 we are having angel message, new partner. Relationship and emotional wise you are having 8 of cups, and career finances 3 of swords. So angel message here, it is new partner. So probably in this week might be partner wise some issues must be there in your mind. Something might be troubling you in the mind related to new connection, new people, new place, something like that. But again angels are saying be positive. There is definitely a possibility of meeting a new person, new people, new project, something new it is approaching to you, where it is going to be a good connection. Initially you may not understand how good it is going to be, but later on you are going to feel yes, this journey is going to be great. So something new you are going to add in your life in this week. Let's come to the relationship and emotion wise how your week is going to be. Here we are having 8 of cups. Here you can see the person is going away, he is leaving his cups and going away. So might be for some people there will be a situation, you might be willing to leave the situation, you are willing to leave the people, might be they are not happily I think pleasing you, the thing which you are expecting, they are not behaving in such way, and you saw their attitude and you are going away. So this movement, I think it is going to be little hard for you. So here the cards are advising you be there, try to face these people, because if you leave them again they will show their this arrogant attitude. Or might be if you stay there you are going to get something new also, because here what I feel, the cups are completely arranged. So why you are leaving such arranged situation, some things are completely managed for you and still you are willing to leave. So might be you are not compatible with those people, those situation, or you are having little high expectation from them. So somewhere I think compatibility issues are there, things are not moving in the way you want, or some emotional satisfaction is not coming while staying in this situation. But here cards are straightforward, they are saying yes, Grahan is there, eclipse kind of thing it is seems to be on you, but you should not leave this place. This is your rights and you have to stay and you have to claim your rewards. So stay here, otherwise the leaving of this part, I don't think so it is going to help you, because these are your people only. Change your attitude and I think you will start liking these people, because leaving the ground, it's not a solution. Time is going to be little hard because it is an 8 number card, so we know the 8 is a Saturn, so Saturn works shane, so very slow result you are going to see. So stay there, face the people, face the situation, long run you are going to get a little stable result. Let's come to the career finance. Career finance we are having 3 of swords, so I think you have to heal your situation financially, you need little healing. You can manifest, you can start gratitude writing, because it seems to me you are quite hurt, you are not ready for this situation, you are quite emotional, and your mental strain is going to increase in this week. But again, since we know we can control our anger, we can control our anxiety, we can control our attitude, so you need to be little creative. Just try to manage the situation. It is a very short term situation, I would say, but yes, definitely you are going to get hurt. Don't keep high expectation from the others, because you cannot control others. And it is advised you have to take financial healing very sure, because this is going to manage your situation nicely. So here, three of swords in career finance situation, they are talking about, though the pain is coming, but pain will be in your control, subject to how ready you are there to face the situation. And here the angel message, when you see the new partner, so definitely some support will be extended to you. Might be you will get the hand holding, so don't worry, you will get the hand holding. So don't worry, you will get the hand holding. But be ready, look around yourself, might be help is there near to you, and heal yourself. For the healing purpose, you can use water, because here the cards seems to be quite watery for me. So water affirmation is going to help you a lot. You can affirm your water and you can have it every day. At least take your glass of water and say I love you, and just have it. That love and affection, it is going to flow in your body like anything, and you will see the result within 2 to 3 days of regular practice. You will see the result. Welcome to the section 3 cards. Here we are having angel message, be honest with yourself. For our relationship and emotional state, we are having the devil, and for our career and finance, we are having temperance. So let's come to the angel message, what angels are trying to convey. Here angels are trying to tell you, be honest, whatever you want, you be stick on that. I think you are in a confusion kind of situation. You are not able to understand actually what you are looking for. Somewhere some anxiety must be happening inside you, related to your career, related to your relationship, and you are not in a position to take any decision. So decision how you can take, until and unless you are not very sure what do you want, what is your desire, what is your wish, I think you won't be able to move in your life, and you won't be able to take any decision. So here angels clear cut message is, do not sit and crib on the situation. Accept the truth, accept the reality, and ask yourself what actually you are looking for. So let's come to the relationship and emotional wise, how our week is going to be. So here we got the devil. So might be with relationship front, a lot of expectation you must be having from your life partner, could be your boyfriend, whoever it is. We are talking about a partnership. It could be your boss, it could be your workplace people, it could be your life partner, it could be your boyfriend or girlfriend, whatever it is. Either of the partner, definitely they are expecting something more from the other. If I will talk about a relationship, it is definitely depend on the lust, complete physical attraction. If I will talk about relationship between a employee and the employer, definitely the employer or employee, they want to humiliate others, they are trying to take advantage from the other party. So such kind of situation it is, but it's not like you cannot leave the place. Definitely you can say no, but you are also having some obligation, limitation. This is the reason you are feeling stuck and you are not able to say no. So there is one message what I feel, I think you should learn the art of saying no, because if you are not going to take your wish or desire honestly, no one else is going to stand for you. So this looks like something a toxic kind of relationship, or the relationship basically depends on the attraction. It could be a physical attraction, it could be a financial attraction, whatever it is, but it is like external attraction. It is attracting to the other party and they are in a relationship. And yes, this is the relationship, it is going to be a mutual relationship. but you are having rights to say no if you're not liking it. And if you are liking it, you cannot blame the other party, because your benefit is also there. You are also seeing your benefit, so it's like give and take benefits, you both the people are enjoying. So this is what you are feeling the toxic also, because when you are taking the favor from the other person, you are going to feel the heavy. So this heaviness you are going to feel in the emotionally, or relationship wise also, with the people also, such kind of feeling you are going to feel in the coming week. Let's come to the career finance. Career finance, we are having temperance. So once again I would say little positive card from the other two sections, but here the temperance, it is talking about you have to have the balance. Might be somewhere you are losing your balance, some bumpy ride may come in the coming week, so be careful. Emotionally also you have to be stable, and just try to understand how to deal the situation, deal your people, deal your situation in a better way, so that later on no hard time should come. But otherwise career finance seems to be average only, not much improvement, but this much growth you will get, so that whatever extra burden you had created previously, I think you will be able to repay that. So some benefits definitely it is coming, but I think the coming week it is going to be quite slow. It is going to be little heavy. It is going to be little I would say temperament wise it is going to be high. People may feel little heavy, but I think this is going to be just because of Mars retro. And Mars retro effect, definitely everyone is going to feel more or less. So be little careful, nothing much, but yes, little care it is required. You need to be very conscious while talking, while communicating, everything. So such care is required while going out also, you need to be little careful. So this is the message for the section 3. So now come to the weekly takeaway, what you have to do. So for participating in this week takeaway contest, you have to comment as usual whether you liked it or not, or simply for your liking, dislike, you can leave an emoji. And you have to write person's first name only, not full name, only first name, with whom you have not connected since long, and send the blessings to that person. So simply you have to write the first name of the person whom you haven't met since long, whom you haven't spoken since long, and send a lot of blessings to that person, whether you are in talking terms or not, doesn't matter. You have to simply send the blessings and gratitude to that person. So this is the contest criteria. I hope you people are going to enjoy the week. So thank you so much for watching the video. Do like and subscribe my channel, and if you wish, you can share this video to your near and dear ones, so that they can also be benefited. Thank you so much. Bye bye.